The Moonlight Butterfly Begonia, a variety of begonia, is a stunning houseplant, known for its unique foliage and delicate flowers. It's a popular choice for indoor gardeners, due to its beauty and relatively easy care. Here are the key benefits of growing a moonlight butterfly begonia. 1. Stunning aesthetic appeal. Unique foliage. The moonlight butterfly begonia features striking wing-shaped leaves with silvery green hues and intricate patterns. Its foliage adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. Delicate flowers in addition to its beautiful leaves. This begonia produces clusters of small, delicate flowers in shades of pink or white, enhancing its visual appeal too. Air purification improves air quality. Like many houseplants, the moonlight butterfly begonia helps purify the air by absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen. It can contribute to a healthier indoor environment. 3. Low maintenance. Easy to care for. This begonia is relatively low maintenance, making it ideal for beginners or busy plant enthusiasts. It thrives in indirect light and requires moderate watering. Adaptable. It can adapt to a variety of indoor conditions, though it prefers warm, humid environments. For compact size space saving. The moonlight butterfly begonia is a compact plant, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments, offices, or windowsills. It can also be grown in hanging baskets to showcase its trailing foliage. 5. Mood-boosting properties enhances well-being. The presence of plants, like the moonlight butterfly begonia, can reduce stress, improve mood, and create a calming atmosphere in your home or workspace. 6. Versatile decor. Decorative uses. Its unique foliage and flowers make it a versatile, decorative plant. It can be used as a centerpiece in terrariums or as part of a mixed indoor garden. 7. Propagation opportunities. Easy to propagate. The moonlight butterfly begonia can be propagated through stem cuttings or leaf cuttings, allowing you to grow more plants and share them with friends and family. 8. Non-toxic to pets. Pet-friendly. Unlike some houseplants, the moonlight butterfly begonia is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe choice for households with cats or dogs. 9. Long-lasting beauty. Year-round interest with proper care. This begonia can provide year-round beauty with its evergreen foliage and periodic blooms. 10. Improves humidity. Natural humidifier. The moonlight butterfly begonia releases moisture into the air through transpiration, helping to increase indoor humidity levels, which is beneficial for your skin and respiratory health. Care tips for moonlight butterfly begonia. Light bright indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Allow the top inch of soil to dry between waterings. Humidity. Prefers high humidity. Mist the leaves regularly or use a humidifier. Sow a well-draining heat-based potting mix. Temperature. Thrives in temperatures between 6-5 degrees 7-5 degrees 18 degrees to 4 degrees. Avoid cold drafts. By growing a moonlight butterfly begonia, you can enjoy its beauty, improve your indoor environment, and experience the many benefits it offers. It's a perfect addition to any plant collection. Herb sparkles.